Class 10, Chapter 9, Tangents and Secants to a Circle, Exercise 1, Fourth problem. Fourth problem, calculate the length of the tangent from a point 15 centimeters away from the center of the circle of radius 9 centimeters. The second problem and fourth problem are same as it is, same method. Here PQ is the tangent of the circle and OP is equals to OP is the radius is equal to 9 centimeters given, and OQ is equal to 15 centimeters given. Find PQ means find tangent PQ. See here, second problem and fourth problems are same steps, same as it is. Tangent is perpendicular. Tangent is perpendicular to the radius at the point of contact. At the point of contact. A tangent है ना, a tangent radius को perpendicular रहता है point of contact में. Tangent అనేది ఈ రేడియస్ కు పర్పెండిక్యులర్ లో పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ కాంటాక్ట్ లో ఉంటుంది. నెక్స్ట్ పాయింట్, హియర్ PQ ఇస్ tangent segment. Here PQ is tangent segment. Tangent segment and OP is the radius of the circle. OP is the radius of the circle. OP is radius of the circle. Radius of the circle. OP is the radius of the circle. Next, OP is perpendicular to PQ. OP is perpendicular to PQ. Next point, angle OPQ is equal to 90 degrees. Second problem and fourth problem same steps I am writing so that you can easily keep it in mind. You know second problem means you can write fourth problem by your own. OPQ is equal to 90 degrees. OPQ क्या है 90 degrees. OPQ क्या है, OPQ into 90 degrees. Now in a triangle OPQ, now in a triangle OPQ. Now in a triangle OPQ, according to Pythagoras theorem, OQ square is equal to OP square plus PQ square, where OQ is equal to 15 and OP is equal to 9 centimeters. Just now I said OQ square is equal to OQ square is equal to OP square plus PQ square. Hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square, or else hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square according to Pythagoras theorem. Here OQ is equal to 15 means 15 square is equal to OP is equal to radius 9 square plus PQ square. Now by transposing this total to LHS to RHS, 9 square plus PQ square is equal to 15 square. ये हम लोग ये टोटल LHS को RHS LHS को LHS RHS को ट्रांसपोज कर रहे हैं. ये RHS LHS को LHS RHS को ट्रांसपोज చేస్తున్నాం. Now this 9 square also will transpose RHS side, plus quantity becomes a minus quantity. PQ square is equal to 15 square minus 9 square. Now PQ square is equal to 15 square. 15 is 225 minus 9 is 81. Therefore PQ square is equal to 225 minus 81, 144. Now PQ is equal to this square, you write RHS side there, therefore it becomes square root of 144. PQ is equal to square root of 144 is equal to 12. 12 is 144. Therefore PQ is equal to 12 centimeters. Therefore length of the tangent PQ is equal to 12 centimeters. Look at the figure. PQ is equal to 12 centimeters. hence be proved.